Before you begin, remove the access panel. Removal. Rotate the front drive cage up to gain access to the power supply cables. Lift the front edge of the power supply and rotate it until fully open. Disconnect all power supply cables from the system board. Carefully slide the power supply forward and up and guide it out of the notches in the chassis. Remove the power supply from the chassis. Replacement. Align the pins on the power supply with the notches in the chassis. Slide the power supply down and back into the notches on the chassis. Connect all power supply cables from the system board. Rotate the power supply down into position on the chassis. Rotate the front drive cage down into position on the chassis.